Okay, so to help you start, let's see. So we have this body of water, and this energy in the water is, yes, we call this our potential energy. And then this potential energy converted, now the water is falling in the spillway, and that should be converted into the kinetic energy. And this falling water comes in contact with this turbine and spins the turbine, so that's the kinetic energy converted into
Mechanical
work.
energy.
Yeah, either work. We can either say mechanical energy or work. And this mechanical energy or work is converted into electrical energy. Yes, that's good. In a battery, what type of energies are involved? Yeah, so in a battery, you start with chemical energy, and that's converted into the electrical energy.
Don't you also get heat? Don't you also get heat?
Yeah, so, because that's implied, but you're right. That reacts to the exothermic and endothermic. Yeah, usually exothermic. So we'll talk about batteries after talking about thermodynamics, because batteries is an application of electrochemistry, and electrochemistry is an application of thermodynamics. So we'll talk about how to make, we'll actually be making batteries in a lab later on this semester. What about a car engine?
Depends what kind of engine. Well,
Just a regular internal combustion engine. So in a car engine, heat's involved. Okay, so let's just start from the beginning. So you got to put something in your car to make it go. Yeah, you have your gasoline. And what does the gasoline do? It burns. So there is a combustion reaction. And what's the reason for burning the gasoline in this combustion reaction? We want to make heat. So this produces heat. And then the heat got to be converted into work. So what are the different types of energies involved here? So in gasoline, this is a chemical. Yeah, so we can just call this the chemical, we could just call this chemical energy here. That's from the potential and kinetic energy of these atoms and molecules. We'll call this chemical energy here. So that chemical energy is converted into heat. Yeah, so the heat that contains the kinetic energy, because the atoms and molecules of the products of this reaction are moving. That helps in the transfer into conversion of heat. And then the heat is converted into work. Yeah, work or mechanical energy. So we can describe these three processes by using thermodynamics. Oh yeah, I put some other energy types. So we have, let's see, solar energy and nuclear energy. So later on this semester we'll talk about nuclear chemistry and how we'll talk about how nuclear reactors work for electricity. We'll also talk about nuclear energy and nuclear weapons. We'll talk a little about solar energy how electricity is made from solar cells. And then also on Wednesday we'll talk more detail about these energy types and how to classify these energies as either thermodynamic or non-thermodynamic. And then we'll talk more about comparing these different types of quantities. And then we'll look more at enthalpy and entropy. And then we'll look at how we can describe whether a chemical reaction occurs spontaneously or not spontaneously. So we'll talk about this on Thursday. Okay, so see you guys in class later today.